What's up, everybody, and welcome back to another math puzzle. In this one, the question is as follows. Can you correctly solve for x given that x must be an integer? And here we have this equation, x plus 3 times x plus 5 times x plus 7 times x plus 9 is equal to 9. Hit that pause button and see if you can figure it out. When you're ready, hit play, and I'll give you the explanation. So this question looks pretty tricky. You might be thinking maybe we should FOIL it, maybe there's a way we can simplify it, but I say the best way here, since we already know that x has to be an integer, is to approach it with a little trial and error. So we could start right off the bat with 0. Like, what would happen if we set x equal to 0? We'd literally, that would go away, all the x's would go away, and we'd end up getting 3 times 5 times 7 times 9. That would be 3 times 5 is 15, times 7 is 70 plus 35 is 105 times 9 is 945. Way too big, right? And you can tell that if x gets bigger, like 1, 2, 3, those other positive integers, it's just going to get bigger and bigger. So we got to go into the negatives, right? So we got to get down to the negatives. Even -1, we're still going to get a very, very big answer. Another strategy we might want to think about is how to bring some of these down, at least how to bring as many of these binomials down to 1 as possible. So one option that comes to mind is -4, right? You plug -4 in here and here, you get a -1 here and a +1 here, which isn't too bad, okay? At least we got a two of them that have been reduced down to a 1 and -1, but then we're going to get a 3 here and a 5 here. When you multiply this out, we get -15, right? We don't get a positive, we get a negative. We're closer to 9, but still not exactly in the ballpark. So we don't want these negative values, or if we do get a negative, we need 2 negatives so they cancel out. So -1 was okay. Let's go deeper into the negatives. Let's try, instead of -4, let's try -6. So when we plug in -6 into all of these, let's see what we get, right? So here we're going to get -3. Here we're going to get -1. Here we're going to get +1. But the good thing is we've got 2 negatives, so those are going to cancel out. Last but not least, -6 plus 9 is 3. Look how beautiful this is. -3 times -1 is 3. 1 times 3 is 3. And 3 times 3 is 9, which means -6 is the winner. That's how you do it. Done. I hope you guys enjoyed this math puzzle, and if you did, please click that like button. If you want to see more math puzzles on the regular, make sure to click subscribe. Thank you guys so much for joining, and we'll see you in the next video. Take it easy.